Kitten and Book. Kitten sitting by a tree hollow. In his hand is a very new and beautiful coloring book. The kitten looked at it for a while. He tore the book. Seeing that, the rooster sitting nearby asked, "What are you doing?" "Yes, I tore the book to fold toys," Kitten replied. Then the kitten happily looked at his newly folded animals, and the rooster tilted his face. "So you ruined the book. Must know how to take care of books." Kitten running away with toy. He mumbled as he walked. Even the rooster scolded. "I tore the book, what's so terrible about it?" The rooster heard those words and said to Theo, "What a naughty cat." That night lying in bed, the kitten kept wondering if he had done anything wrong. Why did the rooster say I was naughty? Then he fell asleep. In dream, Kitten see the familiar pictures and letters of the book appear. "I also blames you and said next time not to be friends with you anymore. Wake up." The kitten quickly found the torn pieces of paper and glued them back together. Then he showed it to the rooster. "Uncle Rooster, I have glued the book back together." The rooster looked at the book with surprise, then shook his head in frustration. Then the kitten made a mistake. "This page and that page, one piece on top of another." The rooster said slowly, "Books are good friends. Always bring us many useful things. If you accidentally tear it, then don't paste it carelessly like this." The kitten shyly looked at the rooster and praised him. "Yes, I understand." From then on, the kitten stopped tearing and finished learning. Put it away carefully. Our story ends here.
Goodbye and see you again.